Good morning, students. Today we will do the topic tangent and normal. Now, for the tangent and normals, we are having equation of line. We know that in 11th standard, the equation of line passing through points x naught, y naught, and having slope m is given as y minus y naught is equal to m times x minus x naught, where m is slope and x naught and y naught are the points. Now we will suppose have a curve and a line which touches the curve exactly at one point is called tangent, and the line which is perpendicular to tangent is called normal. Now slope of line is given by the derivative dy by dx at x naught y naught. This is f dash x naught. So slope is derivative dy by dx. So equation of tangent will be reduced y minus y1 y minus y naught is equal to f dash 0. F dash 0 is slope, derivative of the function at given point x minus x naught. So if two lines are perpendicular, we also know that if two lines are perpendicular, then normal is perpendicular to tangent, then the product of their slope is minus 1. So equation of normal, so slope of normal will become reciprocal of this with minus sign, minus 1 upon f of x naught. So equation of normal will become y minus y naught is equal to slope is now 1 upon f x naught, because normal is perpendicular to tangent, x minus x naught. Now one point you kept in your mind, if tangent is a line which makes an angle theta with the curve, the tangent of theta will be the slope. This also we did in class 11th. So tangent theta will be the slope if the angle is given. Now particular cases, there are two particular cases. If slope is 0 means tangent theta is 0. Tangent is 0 at when theta is 0. Theta is 0 means tangent is parallel to x-axis, and equation reduces to y is equal to y naught. If theta is equal to 90, then tangent theta will be infinity, means tangent is perpendicular to x-axis. Now equation will become x is equal to x naught. Now we will do the some question. Slope of tangent we have to find out. The curve is y is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. Now y is given 3x 4 minus 4x. So dy by dx will be 12x cube minus 4. At 4 we have to check, put x is equal to 4. The answer will be 764. Then the question number 5 is, we have to find slope of normal to curve. Now x is given a cos cube theta, y is given a sin cube theta. So we will calculate dx by d theta, simple derivative dy by d theta, 3a sin square theta, derivative of sin theta cos theta. Then dy by dx is, we will divide this by this. So after cancelling it is minus tan theta. Now theta is given, we have to calculate the slope at theta is equal to pi by 4. So dy by d theta when theta is pi by 4 means tangent of pi by 4, this is minus 1. So slope of normal will become, slope of dy by dx is this, the slope of normal will be minus 1, then slope will be minus 1 का reciprocal with minus sign. So minus and minus cancel, slope will be 1. Slope of normal is 1. Find, ninth question, find a point on the curve, this curve, at which the tangent is this. So first we are given the equation of curve, find dy by dx, 3x square minus 11. Tangent is y minus x minus 11. So slope of this tangent will be minus 1, plus 1. Y is equal to, if you compare with y is equal to mx plus c. So slope is 1. slope is 1, it means 3x square minus 11 is 1, so 3x square is 12, so x square 4, x is plus minus 2. So next is question number 13. You are given the equation of you have to find the point on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 at which first part is tangent is parallel to x-axis. Now first we differentiate this. 2x by 9, 2y by 16 dy by dx. Derivative of y is dy by dx. 1 का derivative 0. So calculate dy by dx. dy by dx at point suppose x1 y1 is this. Put x x1 y y1. Now first case it is parallel to x-axis. If it is parallel to x-axis, then the derivative slope will be 0. dy by dx is 0. So if x is 0, y will be x is 0. Now in equation 1, x is 0, so y will be plus minus 4 using equation 1. Now second case is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means perpendicular to x-axis, means derivative is infinite. So we will put y is equal to 0, x is plus minus 3. Then the question number 19 is find the point on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 at which the tangent are parallel to x-axis. Again same case. Given equation, find the derivative. Derivative is this. Now tangent is parallel to x-axis. So tangent theta slope will be 0. Putting slope is equal to 0. When we put slope is equal to 0, x is 1. So x is 1. We will put in equation 1. Y will be plus minus 2. So points are 1, 2, 1 and minus 2. The last question is you are given in question number 27. You are given MCQ type. Y is equal to x plus 1. The line y is equal to x plus 1 is a tangent to curve y square is equal to 4x. First we have line, differentiate this 1. Then we have curve, differentiate this dy by dx is 2 by y. Now line tangent to curve. So line and tangent, if they are at same point, so their slope will be same. So 2 by y must be equal to 1. These both will be equal. So y will be 2. If y is 2, put here. Y is 2, put in any of equation. Y is 2. So if y is 2, x will be 1. If y is 2, 2 square is 4. Y, if you put y is equal to 2, this is 4, 4 upon 4, x is 1. Or you can put here y is 2, x is 2 minus 1, 1. So 1, 2 will be the answer. Option A is correct.